Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Mutiao.
Shosho Stivo.
Yeah.
We won, but I'm not impressed.
Yeah.
Like this Sundowns which is playing now, it's no longer dangerous, Stivo.
Yeah.
Like they're no longer a threat. Sundowns
Yeah.
Sundowns even if they lose, but you are still impressed. Wanswara. But Show Stivo. Like Cardoso hana plan. Like he doesn't have a plan. As a coach, Tamilore Abeli plan. Akastomise Shalulile. Yes, Shalulile Ramorata Wakora, but I don't prefer him to start with the game. Ushapu as a sub. Atomeka Renasi and then Atomelika Sales. Those people are not supposed to enter on the second half. Yeah. So happen no come kore dalangona. Varitelisa ka timu zenyani. Yeah, even this league, no, the team zenyani di dalla kwa ifulirina. We have to open a gap, Stivo. Kamlori dishia kaboma 10 points away. Yeah, Rinyaka Sundowns hele akale yo wina kaboma 4-1, 5-1. Yeah, so I'm not impressed, Stivo. We won, but I'm not impressed. Yeah.
Thank you, Jaga. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?